make it clear. You found every broken place inside, turned my darkest nights into morning light. When my faith was hanging by a thread, your voice became the song inside my head. You never walked away from me, you stayed and rewrote my destiny. When the world gets loud, your whisper pulls me close. Every step I take, you're the reason I have hope. Nothing fills my soul the way you do. Every road I take keeps leading back to you. Oh, you're the melody that carries me, the peace inside my storm, my victory. Every sunrise starts with your embrace. Every heartbeat echoes of your grace. Forever I'll be standing by your side. You're my forever, you're my guiding light. You already know the words I hide, still you welcome me with arms stretched wide. I don't have to wear a perfect face, you meet me right here with amazing grace. You calm every question in my mind. Your faithful love is one of a kind. No pretending when I'm with you. Your mercy always makes me new, even when I stumble. You never let me fall. You keep reminding me your love is greater than it all. So here's my life, every dream, every plan. Lead me anywhere, I'll forever hold your hand. Nothing fills my soul the way you do. Oh yeah, every promise you make keeps pulling me through. Oh, you're the reason every song I sing will always lift the name of my King. Every sunrise starts with your embrace. Every heartbeat celebrates your grace. Till my final breath, my heart will say, I'll choose you every single day. You're the song I'll never stop singing. You're the peace I'll never stop chasing. Every note, every breath